Climate change and global warming's effect on coral reefs. To start off, what is climate change and global warming? Climate change is an everlasting change in local, regional, and global weather that determines Earth's climate. Change in climate can be due to human activities such as burning fossil fuels and/or natural causes such as volcanic activities and gas that livestock produce. Global warming is the increasing heating of the Earth's climate due to human activities which primarily consist of fossil fuel burning, causing a growth of greenhouse gas levels in the Earth's atmosphere. How is global warming killing the coral reefs? In these next few slides, I will be sharing and explaining some of the major problems that global warming is causing. Due to global warming, we are also experiencing a warming ocean. When coral reefs undergo a change in sea temperature as low as 1 degree Celsius for weeks at a time, it will cause the coral to release the symbiotic algae that lives in its tissue, causing the coral to turn white. As you can see, the left side is a bright orange while the right side is a white due to coral bleaching. Global warming has caused sea levels to rise because of melting glaciers and the volume of the ocean expanding due to warm waters. When ocean levels rise, this causes sediment from land sources and runoff to smother the coral, which interferes with their ability to feed, grow, and reproduce. According to scientists, changes in storm patterns are mostly caused by human-influenced climate changes. Stronger and more frequent storms result in destruction of coral reefs. In this photo, you can see broken pieces of coral which have most likely been caused by a storm. Again, due to climate change, the ocean currents are affected by warming water temperatures which cause the currents to be weakened. Ocean currents are very important for keeping the coral reefs alive. Corals depend on ocean currents to get their food and spread their larvae. Ocean acidification is a decrease in the pH of the ocean water caused by the increase of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Burning fossil fuels is the primary cause of ocean acidification. Carbonate, which is an essential part of seawater, is reduced by ocean acidification, which makes it harder for the corals to form their shells and possibly cause existing shells to dissolve. Since the 1850s, the acidity of the ocean's water has gone up by 26%. As you can see, climate has a huge impact on the coral reefs. If we want our coral reefs to look like this again, here are some things you can do to help. Some easy ways to reduce your carbon footprint include eating more plant-based products, so eating less meat since livestock produce large amounts of methane gas, using different modes of transportation other than a car, so this includes taking the bus or riding a bike, reducing, reusing, and recycling whatever you can, and trying not to buy from fast fashion brands since they are responsible for 10% of greenhouse gases. Ways to help protect the coral reefs include using proper reef etiquette when in the ocean, so using sunscreen which won't harm the coral, buying ocean-wise seafood, and not putting harmful chemicals down the drain. Thank you for watching my video. I hope everyone learned something new and now know what you can do to help protect our coral reefs.